The history of coins dates back thousands of years, with the earliest known coins originating in ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, and China around 600 to 700 BCE. These early coins were usually made of metals like gold, silver, or bronze and were used primarily for trade and commerce. Over time, various civilizations developed their own coinage systems, with designs reflecting their culture, rulers, and symbols. Coins played a crucial role in facilitating economic transactions, standardizing currency values, and promoting trade across regions. As societies evolved, so did coins, with advancements in minting techniques, materials, and designs. Today, coins continue to be an essential part of global economies, though digital currencies are also becoming increasingly prevalent. 1. Ancient civilizations. The earliest known coins emerged independently in different regions, around 600 to 700 BCE. Examples include the Lydian lion coins in present-day Turkey, Chinese knife and spade coins, and the Greek drachma. To adopt Greek and Roman coinage. Greece and Rome standardized coinage, introducing various denominations and designs. Greek coins often depicted gods, heroes, and symbols of city-states, while Roman coins featured emperors, rulers, and imperial propaganda. 3. Medieval period. Coinage continued to evolve during the Middle Ages, with various kingdoms and empires minting their own coins. Charlemagne's denarius and the Islamic dinar are notable examples. 4. Renaissance and early modern period. The Renaissance saw a revival of art on coins, with intricate designs reflecting the cultural and political developments of the time. European powers such as Spain, England, France, and the Netherlands issued coins for trade and colonization. 5. Colonial and imperial coinage. European colonial powers minted coins for their colonies, often using precious metals sourced from the New World. These coins facilitated trade and economic expansion. 6. Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution brought advancements in minting technology, leading to the mass production of coins using mechanized processes. Standardized coinage became more widespread. 7. Modern coinage. In the 20th century, many countries moved away from the gold standard and adopted fiat currencies, backed by the government's guarantee rather than precious metals. Coins continue to be issued for everyday transactions, commemorative purposes, and collector's items. 8. Digital currency. With the advent of the internet and blockchain technology, digital currencies like Bitcoin emerged, challenging traditional notions of money and currency. While not physical coins, these digital assets have gained popularity and legitimacy in recent years. Throughout history, coins have served as a medium of exchange, a symbol of authority, and a reflection of cultural and artistic expression. They remain an integral part of economies worldwide. Despite the increasing digitization of financial transactions,